Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Rakuten Advertising reports for tax time, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your Rakuten Advertising reports for tax purposes, start by logging into your Rakuten Advertising account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the reporting section in the main menu. In the reporting section, select the specific report you need for tax time, such as the earnings report or transaction report. Set the appropriate date range for the report to cover the tax year you are preparing for. After adjusting the date range, click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the report to process, which may take a few moments depending on the volume of data. Once the report is ready, you will see an option to download it, typically in a CSV or Excel format. Click on the Download button to save the report to your computer. Choose a location on your device where you can easily find the file later, such as your desktop or dedicated tax folder. Repeat this process for any additional reports you may need. Next, organize your downloaded reports into folders for each tax year to keep everything manageable. Consider naming each file clearly, including the report type and date range for easy identification later. It may be helpful to create a backup by copying the folder with your reports to an external drive or cloud storage service. Once you have backed up your reports, check to ensure that all files were downloaded correctly. If needed, use spreadsheet software to review the reports for accuracy and completeness. Finally, consider keeping a checklist of the reports you have saved and any additional documentation you may need for your tax filing. This systematic approach will help ensure you have everything you need come tax time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.